Welcome to the ScrapeGraphAI playground. Here you can test our API endpoints. Now we are going to see Searchscraper. Searchscraper, with a simple request, provides structured data from different websites. Let's see it in action. So we want to find the name and email of bending spoons CEO. As you can see, you have the JSON result here and also the sources from that provided this information. If you want to integrate this code in your data pipeline, you can copy this simple code and integrate in your data pipeline. Here we have support for Python, JavaScript, and Curve.